Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to set up Flipgrid and walk you through some different Flipgrids that are already created and have some posts, and then I'll show you how you can do it if this is something that you would like to do moving forward with the students. Okay, so this one here is what was posted onto Schoology, and let me go into our Schoology and I'll just show you. So if you go to the discussions page or tab, the welcome message, they had a choice to either write something on here, their name, their grade, and then something fun or interesting about themselves, or they could upload the video to Flipgrid. So that link is put right here. So if you were to click on that link, it is going to take you to this page right here. And then we have a couple of students that create it. We'll just go to Naraya, and we'll show that there's 25 people that have viewed it, or 25
Hi,
views.
my name is Naraya, and I like to draw for fun. And this is one of them.
So short and to the point, but I think you have up to maybe a minute and 20 to 30 seconds, I believe, for your Flipgrid. So that was just one that she had set up to say hello and share a fun fact about yourself. If you are wanting to do this, you set up a Flipgrid account. I'm in my account, so if I go to up here to my name and I click educator login, then it's going to take me to this page here, and then I can add a new grid and I can create my own. So if I wanted to create one for the STEM boat challenge that I had uploaded, and I said students could send in a video or Twitter account or tweet a picture of their boat for that STEM challenge. If they wanted to do a Flipgrid and video record their boat floating with the pennies, then I can create this, and this would be the Flipgrid, and it's down here, the code for that. And then I just click next. Oh, we want to do let's do school email, and they can use their Microsoft email, and yeah, we want to do that. And then add school email. No, we don't want to do that. We'll just click next. And then here is my Flipgrid. I can copy that, and then I can exit out of it, and I can go back into Schoology and I can post that on there, or I can email it out to students, and then they can go in and they can set up their Flipgrid. If you have any questions about wanting to do this and you need help navigating through how to set it up, feel free to reach out to me and I can help you out. Miss Edgens and Miss Fisher are also experts on Flipgrid, so they can help as well.